Hi guys, this is Unboxing Tech. In this video, we'll be checking out these super neat self-coiling cables from Magtame. Arguably, the biggest draw of the Magtame cables is the magnet-powered self-organization function. Most cables are just there and require you to roll them up manually, which takes time, and the results are really pretty to look at. But the Magtame cables have magnets at certain points along the cable, so they just coil in by themselves, making it look neater and more minimalistic without the extra cable tie. Furthermore, the magnetic function reduces desktop clutter by keeping the cable contained within its set space. It's also easier to store away when you do not need it, and it's great for just sticking into your bag for traveling. The magnet is strong enough for the cable to hold its shape, but not enough to interfere or damage any tech items or credit cards. In terms of usability, the Magtame cables offer 60 watts of charge. As a charge test, I charged my iPhone 14 Pro, which started at a low 12%, and I left it alone for an hour and came back to find it at 62%, meaning it had a 50% increase. Not bad! This cable is also great for charging up other devices such as your tablet or gaming consoles like the Switch. There are two different types of Magtame cables. The O-Mag cables have rounded cables that coil on its side, making it sit higher vertically, while the C-Mag cables have flat cables that coil within itself like a snail to retain a flat and even plane. I personally prefer the O-Mag cables. One negative I will mention is that these cables don't really use the strongest magnet in the world, and so they won't just snap right into itself. So there may be instances where you need to manually roll them up, like so. But the difference is that due to the magnets, these cables don't require a separate cable tie to retain their shape. So the Magtame cables are a great way to keep your desktop looking neat and organized with minimal effort, and also provide strong power to keep your electronics going. I'll have the links for these products in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!